Blessings and greetings, and welcome to the Sweet Spot. It is Self-Care Saturday here on the Sweet Spot. So glad you're here with me. I'm Dr. Derek Sweet. I'm a board-certified psychiatrist. I specialize in high performance. More than that, though, I enjoy resonating and connecting with beautiful souls like yourself. Souls on the journey towards the highest levels we can possibly achieve while we are here on this side of eternity. It is my pleasure to be with you. So all week long, my friend, we've been talking about the power of silence. And yes, here on Self-Care Saturday, it's the day that we stop pushing and start replenishing. All week, we've focused on thinking and trusting and moving forward using the power of silence. But today, we're going to let silence hold us. Not to do anything, just to be. Because silence isn't a void. It's a space where healing begins. Whatever you're facing, it could be an illness, it could be an injury, it could even be a legal problem. It could be a relationship issue. It could be just fatigue. Silence is your first step towards getting the healing and getting the recovery that you need. In nature, restoration happens in stillness. A forest will regenerate itself quietly. Soil will recover during winter's harshest storms quietly. Even the ocean rests between tides. No striving, no proving, just cycles of quiet renewal in nature. And guess what? We are no different. You are no different from nature. Your nervous system, your muscles, your spirit, they all need sacred stillness to reset. And the biblical wisdom, the ancient wisdom, gives us this wonderful invitation. Come to me, it says in the scripture of Matthew. Come to me, everyone who is weary, everyone who feels burdened, and I will give you rest. That's not just rest for the body. It's rest for your entire being. That's powerful. Let that sink in for a minute. That there's a place that you can go inside of your own mind to access the ancient wisdom's invitation to find divine rest. Wow. Yeah, that's powerful, isn't it? In Buddhist teaching, we're reminded that silence is an empty space. And that space is the home of the awakened mind. Today, I'm asking you to come home to yourself. Not through effort, but through ease. Practice this today. Take 10 minutes. No music, no phone, no input. Just sit, or just walk slowly, or lie down near the window, or find a comfortable place to be with silence as your companion today. Make friends with silence. Let the world keep spinning. Let the TV keep going. Let everything pass you by while you stay still. Stillness is strength, my friend. Rest is your resistance. And silence is self-respect. Oh yeah, when you sit down and you take those minutes for yourself, you are respecting you. You're allowed to pause without having to produce anything. The world will make you think you have to always be productive. No, you don't. You are allowed to pause without being productive. Let go of the noise today. Let your breath be enough. Take a breath right now if you can, a deep breath. You know how many people don't do that in the 24 hours that are given? We don't take a deep breath. Why don't we do that now together? A nice inhale, and then a slow exhale. You know, when you exhale slower than you inhale, you induce your parasympathetic nervous system and you allow yourself to rest. Like a tree in winter, your rest is preparing you for your next season. Don't sacrifice it. Always get your rest. Let silence be your sanctuary. Let stillness do the healing. It's not just about pills, and it's not just about rubbing balms on your body. It's not just about getting the latest exercise equipment or the latest gadget that's out there. Sometimes it's just about silence and stillness. And these things are free. And the ancient wisdom tells us that when we're still, we get the benefit of divine healing, divine answers. So you don't have to fix everything today, my friend. You just have to honor what's already growing inside of you. Get in touch with the knowledge, the understanding, the wisdom that says, greater is that which is in me than anything that's in the world. My challenge is, have I accepted that? Have I accessed it? Have I slowed down enough to get all of the benefits and derive the benefits that come from stillness and slowing down? Well, speaking of slowing down, tomorrow is Slow Down Sunday. Wow, that's our time for sacred reflection here on The Sweet Spot. A chance for us to reset ourselves, not just our pace, but our perspectives. We'll bring it all together in quiet gratitude and trust tomorrow on Slow Down Sunday. I hope you'll join me under that banner of sacred silence. Until then, my good friends, be blessed. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you tomorrow